would have to walk. The climate was a crippling combination of cold and damp, something that would test their survival training to the limit. The Argentinians assumed that the British would not attempt to come over the top in midwinter. But they miscalculated. That was the way the Marines and the Paras chose to go. The Argentinians were relying on the mountains as a barrier. They stretched the full 50 miles, high and cold, from San Carlos to Port Stanley. There were no tracks. They'd never been needed before. Their packs weighed 50 to 60 pounds each. Around their waist they wore a webbing belt with survival equipment and ammunition, another 30 pounds. It took a fit man to carry that load. They couldn't rely on getting any help. They were going to have to walk every step of the way. And sometimes there weren't even enough helicopters to get their rations to them. So at the end of the day, the campaign was to depend on one thing above all else: the ability of the Marines and the Paras to walk to the battle and still be tough enough to fight it.